Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of simple 3D text effect without using 3D feature of Photoshop, which required a graphics card. This design is fully customizable. You can change its color and you can also edit the text. You can download this project file or template from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. So subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. Now let's jump to the video and get started. So here we are in Photoshop and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, the size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixel per inch. Click on create. Click on the color picker and pick any color that you like. I'm going with this bright bluish color. Now fill the selected layer with the foreground color by pressing Alt plus backspace key on your keyboard. Now select the type tool, click anywhere on the canvas and type whatever you want. Press Ctrl Enter to confirm it. Select the move tool and align it to the center. Let's convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Double click on the empty area of the layer to open a blending option. In the layer style menu, click on gradient overlay. Click here and select any gradient that you like. By the way, you can create your own gradient. Just click here and from here you can change its color. Just select a point and change its color. I'm going with this gradient, but you can create your own. Angle is 45 and the scale is 150%. Hit OK when you are happy. Now let's move it to the top a little bit to make space for the extrusion and the shadow. Now to make it 3D, we will be using a free Photoshop action which you can download from the link in the video description. It is absolutely for free. With the help of this action, you can easily and quickly extrude your subject and make it 3D. Once you download it, unzip it and double click on it. Photoshop will automatically install it. Now go to Windows and choose Action. And there we have. Open this folder. Now play the action that says play me first. It will do few things. Next, you need to choose an angle in which you want to extrude your subject. I want to extrude my subject in this direction, so I need to choose this action. By the way, this image is included in the action folder. Just play this action few times to get nice and thick extrusion. Stop it when you're happy with the size of extrusion and scroll back to the top and collapse the group. Now as you can see, the extrusion is too dark. Right click on the layer and choose blending option. Click on color overlay and drop down its opacity to 15%. Right click on this layer and go to blending option. Click on bevel and emboss in the layer style menu. Style is inner bevel, technique is smooth, depth is 200%, direction is up, size is 15, soften is 10, angle is 145, altitude is 45, highlight mode is screen, color is white and the opacity is 80%. Shadow opacity is 0%. It will give it this beautiful bevel and emboss look. Now duplicate this layer and rename it shadow. Also remove all of these effects from it because we don't need it. Drag this layer beneath the extrusion group. Squash it and move it to the right place. Now go to Filter, Blur and choose Motion Blur. Angle is 0 and the distance is 100 pixel. Again go to Filter, Blur and choose Motion Blur. Blur it about 10 pixel. Also drop down its opacity to 50%. And now it is done. You can also change its color, create a hue and saturation adjustment layer on top of everything, and by moving this slider, we can change its color. We can also edit the text. Double click on this layer, it will open another document. And here we can edit the text. Close the document when you are done and Photoshop will update everything for you. You can also use your logo if you want to. Just double click on this layer once again to open another document. Replace your logo right here. Close the document and save it. Photoshop will update everything for you. If you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be catch you in my next one. Till then, peace.